Good morning, my subscribers. Well, it'll be the morning when I upload this. However, I am filming this in the evening. I was working a pretty long shift, so here I am. And I got a new package for another comic book. But this one is not a Marvel comic book, nor is it a DC comic book. I'll explain later. So, time to unbox. As you can tell, I'm obviously tired. So, yeah. See, when I purchased Amazing Fantasy number 1000, I also purchased this non-Marvel DC comic. And it's from a company called Image Comics. Yes. I know what it is. I'm waiting forever to open it. Yes. Yes. Savage Dragon. Savage Dragon number 1. Savage Dragon number 1. These awesome Savage Dragon trading cards. Whoops, that's upside down. Trading cards. And Savage Dragon number 100. Along with this funny poster parody, Jolly Green Drag Queen. But yeah, Savage Dragon from Image Comics. For those who don't know, Savage Dragon is a comic book superhero created by Erik Larsen for the comic book company known as Image Comics. What is Image Comics? Image Comics is one of the few independent comic book companies formed by several former artists from Marvel Comics. Erik Larsen, the creator of Savage Dragon. Todd McFarlane, the co-creator of Venom and Spawn. I have this cool Spawn action figure. This is Spawn. Todd McFarlane created this guy. And Image Comics is responsible for other comic books such as Invincible, The Walking Dead, and so many others. The idea behind Image Comics is that it's a creator-owned company in which the creators own the rights to their own characters and they receive full creative control, which was a luxury that the founders of Image Comics didn't get back when they were working for Marvel Comics. So, yeah. My favorite Image Comics characters are Savage Dragon, Spawn, and Invincible. I'm a huge Invincible fan. In fact, I own every single issue in graphic novel form, from Volume 1 to the final compendium. In fact, last year on my birthday, I got Compendium 3 of Invincible. I'm a huge fan of the character. And I like the animated series as well. But yeah, it's pretty cool that I got these awesome Savage Dragon comic books. I mostly wanted to get Savage Dragon number 100 because my favorite comic book artist, Bruce Timm, best known for co-creating Harley Quinn and the developer of Batman the Animated Series, actually illustrated for issue number 100. So I want to see how he drew the dragon. Anyway, those are what I opened. Thank you for watching. And if you'll excuse me, I'm going to go to bed. Don't have a good day. Have a great day.